If you've spent any amount of time around middle schoolers, you know one thing for certain. They're all out of their minds. And I mean that with the utmost respect. I mean, they're going through a lot. They got raging hormones and out of control emotions, and they don't know what's going on with their world or with their place in the world or their bodies, and it's all just madness. And it ends up manifesting in a way that causes them to talk a lot of smack or cast a lot of shade, take each other to task, and basically try and make chumps out of each other in a way to make themselves feel less insecure about the world, I guess. I don't know. It's been a while since I've been in middle school. But I do know one thing. Improv can help combat these insecurities by helping them to work together in a way that builds the other person up rather than tearing them down. Stick with me and we'll talk about it. Hi, and welcome to Classroom Confidential and Zoomprov Games. My name is Christopher Youngren, and I'm a middle school ELA teacher in Tucson, Arizona. The golden rule: do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Simple, right? Be cool to other people, they'll be cool to you. Show them respect, you'll get respect. But as kids get into those tween and teen years, it becomes harder and harder to do. You're so self-conscious, you're so insecure that a lot of times you feel like the only way to make yourself look good is to put other people down. And that's where improv comes into it. The golden rule of improv is make your partner look good. And it's easy because another rule of improv is there are no bad improvisers. So even if somebody gives you what you think is the most idiotic suggestion in the world, just go with it. By going with it, you build the other person up. By building the other person up, you give them confidence. When they have confidence, they will return it to you and give you confidence. And it becomes this symbiotic cycle where everybody is bringing out the best in each other. What a wonderful world it would be if we could do that in real life, right? But look, even if you're working with a partner that says, "Oh my goodness, I'm growing bananas for ears," it's your job to go, "Yum, bananas! I love bananas. Hold me back. I don't want to eat your banana ears," or whatever, you know. But by focusing on what they're doing and in a way that you approve of, that you show them that you like, it is going to go so much farther than if you are being combative. Because a lot of improvisers start off trying to be argumentative. And another one of the foundations of improv is yes and. Whatever somebody gives you, you say yes and. And I have another video, I'll put the link in the description, all about yes and. But we don't just say yes to the person. We don't just affirm what they're giving us, but we add to it. And by adding to it, it gives it even more value, because not only are we saying that is a great idea, but we're saying that idea is so great that it's getting me excited. And I'm gonna tell you how we can make it even greater, right? Because your idea is so good to begin with. You know, in acting, we say the most important person in any scene is the other person. And it's absolutely true in improv as well. And the more we can get our students to focus on what is good in other people, what is working in other people, even if we don't believe it. Yeah, there's a certain degree of fake it till you make it going on. But the more we can train ourselves to look for the good in others, rather than just trying to build ourselves up by strutting and puffing out our chests and saying, "Hey, I'm Captain Cool," which generally at 13 or 14 years of age, you're really not. But what is cool is looking out for the other guy, really building up the other people around us. And the more we can develop these skills, the more they are going to transfer to our real lives. We may not buy into it initially, but the more we practice it and the more we look for the strengths and the skills and the creativity and imagination in other people, the more we are going to build them up. And the more we build them up, the better they're going to feel. And like I said before, the better they feel, the better they're going to treat us. And it just becomes a big, fat, beautiful cycle. So there you have it, the golden rule of improv. It seems so very simple, but it's not easy to master, especially when you're in those awkward sort of tweenage years. But the more we cultivate these skills, the more we work on these skills, the more it's going to help us transition into adulthood in a way that's compassionate, caring, and not so self-obsessed. So, hey, thanks for joining me today. If you got value from this, which I hope you did, smash that like button for me. If you enjoyed this video, check this one out. This is another great one, and I know you're gonna love it. And if you're enjoying all my videos, why not subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep them coming. Take care of yourselves out there. Take care of someone else. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.